Hi guys, and today I'm just going to do a real quick video on how to change the tyre on a Razor e300. They're a bit different to a lot of the other ones. They've got a split rim, and to get them so that you put the tyre on easily, it's a wee bit of a process, but it's real super easy if you do it my way. Now, I've seen a few videos where people say, you know, actually to catch up, I've taken the wheel out. Everybody knows how to take the wheel off. It's just undo the shaft and pull it out. And I'm not going to go over that. This is just how to split the rim. Okay, so they're saying put hose clamps on it. They're saying put oil filter cartridge removers on it. All sorts of strange things like that. Look, I ain't got time for that rubbish. There's a real simple way. What you do is you put your knee on your tyre, you get your screwdriver, and see these holes in here? These holes are for, I believe, this exact purpose. Now, whereas the Razor travels forward, it goes this way, so it tightens this little brake drum onto the sleeve, which in turn prevents you from taking the rim apart. So to undo it, you want to go anti-clockwise. So, simply put your screwdriver in that hole, get a hammer, can you see that? Hammer, and you hit down, and it loosens. Happy days. That comes off, and that's the hard bit. After that, I've loosened these already because my Allen wrench, or key, sorry, could go in there. So I'm just going to loosen these off a little bit more. I'll show you the process. You simply take out these bolts which hold the two parts of the rim together, like this, like this. Now pop in there, the rim will separate. Easy as that. Without a push, out she comes. Replacement tyre. When you put your replacement tyre on, make sure you put a couple of pumps of air in the tube just to make sure that it's not all flat and it's going to get pinched when we put the two halves of the rim back together, just a little bit. Now, remembering that this nozzle here has to go out the side that the sprocket is on, because that is how you blow it up. So you wiggle that on there like that into the little hole, especially for that tube on the sprocket side, remember, because when you blow your tyre up, you line these up and then you get that little valve thing and you put it through. Oh, what's this way? Put it through, screw it on and blow your tyre up, remember that? Yep, cool. So now looking down in here, you can see all we have to do is just spin that around till the holes line up like that. This is your other half of the rim. He's going in place now, just like that. Now, as you can see, those holes aren't quite lined up, so I'm just going to get the same old screwdriver there. Just give that a little bit of a wiggle, try and get that to line up. Happy days. Even your Allen key, just anything that'll allow you to line that up. So you can put your wee bolts back in, that hold the two parts of the rim together. Like so, like so, like so, and last one there. Go in. Right, give these a wee tighten up. They don't have to be insanely tight. Like that, just finger tight for a start, and I'll show you why. Because when you just finger tighten them, give it a wee bit of a bump around, just to make sure that the tyre is seated nicely on the rim and nothing's caught. Okay, it's looking perfect. So then just hold it down there, nip each one up, nip each one up, nip each one up. There we go. Right. Now, putting the brake drum, essentially, back on the rim, super easy. Just don't cross thread it, line it up just gently there, just very gently with your fingers, just start it, so that it starts like that. Oops, nearly. There we go. And remember, clockwise to tighten, anti-clockwise to loosen. So we're tightening it up, so it's clockwise. Remember, if we want to undo it, oh, I've got that back front. That's better. There we go. There we go. It's got to be that way. So, tightened up, going clockwise. Now, if you're not confident to hold it with your knee and hit it, get someone to hold it. Keep their hands well away. Hold it like that. You put your screwdriver in, remembering if you kind of loosen it, you got it at the back and you're heading down so that it's going anti-clockwise. Now, we've finished the job, so we're going to put our screwdriver in the front and give it a wee tighten up. Nipped up, lovely. All that remains now is to put a bit of air in the tyre and put it back on your scooter and you're away. So look, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, get something out of it. Look, at the end of the day, I think this is the easiest way to do it. You just shock it off, and it's going to be a whole lot less grief than trying to hold things on with hose clamps and all sorts of other things. You're going to end up skinning your knuckles and having to buy extra things to do the job that you don't need to do. So if you do it my way, you'll do it super easy, be done, and you'll be riding your scooter before you know it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.